नमस्कार, हमारे श्रीदेवी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल पर एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है। आज हम IPv4 और IPv6 जो कि IPv4 का एडवांस्ड वर्जन है उससे रिगार्डिंग कुछ MCQs को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर IP। तो इसका आंसर है A, एरर रिपोर्टिंग। द इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल इज द नेटवर्किंग प्रोटोकॉल that establishes the internet by relaying datagram across network boundaries. ICMP is a supporting protocol for IP which handles the error reporting functionality. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. ये एक इंटरनेट लेयर प्रोटोकॉल है जिसका यूज नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट और नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस के बीच कम्युनिकेशन में आने वाली प्रॉब्लम्स का पता लगाने के लिए किया जाता है। The next question is which of the following field in IPv4 datagram is not related to fragmentation? The correct answer is TOS. TOS is a type of service identifies the type of packets. It is not related to fragmentation but it used to request specific treatment such as high throughput means high performance, high reliability or low latency for the IP packet depending upon the type of service it belongs to. The next question is the TTL field has value 10. How many router can process this datagram? The correct answer is option C, 10. TTL stands for time to live. This field specifies the life of the IP packet based on the number of hop it makes. TTL field is decremented by 1 each time the datagram is processed by a router. When the value is 0, the packet is automatically destroyed. The next question is if the value in protocol field is 17, the transport layer protocol used is dash. इसका आंसर है B, UDP. UDP is a user datagram protocol. The protocol field enables the demultiplexing feature so that the IP protocol can be used to carry payloads of more than one protocol type. Its most used values are 17 and 6 for UDP and TCP respectively. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. ICMP and IGMP are network layer protocols. Next question is which field helps to check rearrangement of the fragments? The correct answer is A, offset. The fragment offset field specifies where the fragment fits in the original datagram. The offset of the first fragment will always be 0. The size of the field is 3 bits shorter than the size of the total length of field. Sixth question is the size of an IP address in IPv6 is 128 bits. IPv4 यानी कि इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल वर्जन 4 वो 32 बिट एड्रेस को यूज करता है जबकि IPv6 128 बिट्स एड्रेस को यूज करता है। IPv6 IPv4 का एडवांस्ड वर्जन है और इसमें कुछ न्यू फीचर्स को भी ऐड किया गया है। The next question is the header length of an IPv6 datagram is dash. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है D, 40 bytes. IPv6 datagram has fixed header length of 40 bytes which results in faster processing of the datagram. The next question is in an IPv6 header the traffic class field is similar to which field in the IPv4 header? The correct answer is C, TOS field. The traffic class field is used to specify the priority of the IP packet which is a similar functionality to the type of service field in the IPv4 header. It's an 8-bit field. Next is IPv6 does not use dash type of address. The correct answer is A, broadcast address. IPv6 use the Anycast address which allows sending messages to a group of devices but not all devices in a network. Anycast address is not standardized in IPv4. The next question is which are the features present in IPv4 but not in IPv6? The correct answer is D, Anycast address. The next question is the combination of dash and dash is often termed the local address of the local portion of the IP address. The correct answer is C, subnet number and host number. It is termed as the local address because the address won't be applicable outside the subnet. Subnetworking is implemented for remote sensing in transparent way from the host, which is contained in the subnetwork, which is called a local operation. The next question is dash implies that all subnets obtained from the same subnet mask. The correct answer is static subnetting. Static subnetting is used when the requirement is of the same number of hosts in each subnet for the institution. The same subnet mask can be used to find the subnet ID of each subnet. It is usually used to divide large networks into smaller parts. The next is these statements are true or false. The correct answer is A. In a connection-oriented protocol, the host can only establish connection with another host on one unique channel. That's why it can only use unicast addresses. In IPv6, there is an anycast address in IPv6 which allows sending messages to a group of devices but not all devices in a network. And the last question is which network protocol works on the layer 3 network layer of the OSI model? The correct answer is A. IPX. IPX stands for Inter-Network Packet Exchange. Is the network layer 3 protocol used for transferring information on LANs that use novel netware. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Again, thank you very much.